Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the layout from horizontal to vertical in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the page layout menu. Select the orientation. We can see here automatically the landscape. Now I am select the portrait. Then go to the file menu. Select the print option. We can see we change the layout from horizontal to vertical easily. You can change the margin or the size or print area added, etc. Now we can see we change the layout from horizontal to vertical in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.